Okay, for the page 10, we're gonna see how many squares can fit in the rectangle. So we have small squares with a big rectangle. So how many squares can fit in the rectangle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 squares can fit in the rectangle. So you will find the stickers from the back of your books. Find all the small squares and put it in the big rectangles. And also find out the number 8. Number 8. There will be 8 squares that can fit in the rectangles. Wow! Andrew's very fast. So Andrew, what shape is this? 这是什么形状？ Rectangle, yes. So how many rectangle can fit in the square? The small rectangle with the big squares. So for the number B, for the B section, you will find 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small rectangles that can fit in the big squares. So you also find out the number 4 from your sticker books. So how many rectangles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll put 4. Number 4. You'll find the number 4. Which one is number 4? Here. So there will be 4 rectangles can fit in the big squares. Yes, good job. So Andrew is done. Tim is done. Okay, we're using the shapes to measure how tall they are. So Mike, look at picture the first boy. Mike, 3 square. 1, 2, 3. So find the stickers from the back of your page. And then find out the squares and find out number 3. So Mike is 3 squares tall. So you put all the square next to Mike and you also find out the number 3 stickers. So next one is Lisa. So Lisa, now we're using, what shape is this? What shape is this? 长方形. How do you say it? What shape is this? What shape is this? What shape is this? It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. So we are going to use rectangle to measure how tall is Lisa. So find out the rectangle. Rectangle. So Lisa is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to find out all the 4 rectangles and put it next to Lisa. So Lisa is 4 rectangles tall. So also find out the number 4. 数字4. And the rectangle. Rectangle 是长方形. Right? So you can measure a person's tall by the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lisa is 4 rectangles tall. Are you done? You have to find out all the rectangle and the square. Square, put it right here. 把正方形贴在这里。所以 1 squares, 2 squares, 3 squares. So 1, 2, 3. 对，所以 Mike 是 3 squares tall. Now you have to find out the rectangle. Find the rectangle. Rectangle is right here. Okay, so Lisa is 1, 2, 3, 4. Lisa is 4 rectangles tall. So the last one. Last one. Okay. Did you get all the rectangles? Okay, she's done. So Andrew, look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So Lisa is 4 rectangles tall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So let's look at Mary. So this time we're using, what shape is this?
What shape is this?
Star. So look at this. Look at this. It's a yellow star. So we're using the star to measure how tall is Mary. So look at how tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to find 5 stars from your sticker books and put it next to Mary. And Mary is 5 stars tall. So you also have to look for the number 5. Number 5 and find all the stars. So this is how we can measure someone's tall, by using the shapes.
好小一个星星哦，就没关系。